Hey everyone, so for today's video guys, I want to share with you that I got invited to an influencer event yesterday at Amoki House. And I get excited guys when I go there kasi nga this is my first time here at Amoki House. So pagdating ko doon, ang galing ng mga staff kasi napaka-accommodating nila and i-guide ka talaga nila kung ano yung steps na gagawin mo. Napaka-aesthetic din ng place nila which is I like it. Kaya nagsiselfie-selfie kami doon nung pumunta kami. Kasi ang ganda talaga ng setup and it's very cozy vibes talaga. Of course, yung best part is to let us explore different skincare and cosmetic products. May mga testers everywhere talaga. So, na-try ko talaga yung mga products nila from skincare and cosmetic. Yung mga skincare pa na-try ko is from Dermashare and yung cosmetic naman is from Midpee. So far naman, nagustuhan ko yung skincare na na-test ko. But, yung cosmetics lang is merong mga cushion doon na hindi ko ka-shade much. Pero na-test ko naman lahat ng shades. So, sana magkaroon sila ng more shades pa. So, meron din pala akong na-explore doon na other products which is a kid's supplement and yung mga instant na pagkain. Ito pala yung pinakagusto ko sa lahat guys, yung spin to win and yes, nanalo ako dyan. Yan ang sinabi ko kanina, ang ganda talaga ng setup ng place nila at very cozy yung vibes. Kaya hindi rin ako nagpahuli guys. Nagpa-picture na rin ako doon kasi nga ang ganda talaga. It's very cozy. Ang ganda ng setup ng place nila doon. Take note pala guys, naka-receive din pala ako ng freebies from them. And yes, for overall experience, sobrang fun and worth it. And thank you so much for invite Amoki House.